And now, here's what we got to do. This is very important, and you don't have to remember all of this, but for all of the adults here that will help you remember, it's very important that you mix the bedding, because when you feed the worms, they need a variety in their diet to give you a quality castings end result in your garden. Now,
so what are we mixing together here?
Here's what we're going to mix together. We're going to mix topsoil. You don't want potting soil. You don't want topsoil, and I'll tell you why. Topsoil has all the sticks and garbage and things like that in it that you don't want. And topsoil has been composted to a certain degree, and it smells a little bit like chemicals. Guys, don't worry, because the worms will purify your soil. Okay, now, first step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go quick, so don't worry, because we got a limited amount of time. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and get, no, don't do that. Now, I'm going to get the first layer. The first layer is going to be your
Come on over.
potting soil. I'll tell you why. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't.